Mikey and I are out looking for little Christmas trees as the extra Christmas trees in the entrance hall. Because we'll get one very big one, but what do you think of these?
Well, actually, I think this one will be fine for our big Christmas tree.
Michael, not even in jest. Poor little thing. I mean, he's very cute. Don't get me wrong, Christmas tree, you're adorable. But you're just not tall enough.
Yeah, they're all a bit straggly.
No, don't say that in front of them. I think it's okay that they're a little bit straggly. I want a sort of woodland effect.
Okay.
Can you just can you turn the entrance hall into a woodland, please, Mikey, today?
Yeah. Okay.
Winter Wonderland, woodland. Let's do it. Winter Wonderland.
Okay.
Think big.
Cool.
Good to see that Ian's van is providing a nice distraction for the peacocks. And if you make a mess up there, no one can see it. Everyone's happy. Whilst Ian and Ruth clear out the old cooker ready for renovation. It's really looking even more Hansel and Gretel in here right now. Ian, maybe you should get into one of the other ovens to help properly.
Maybe I should. Maybe, with the amount of time to take it, what I should do is just get in here and have a little snooze.
I mean, I've got soot up here.
I feel like a turkey.
Well, that is my Christmas dinner. It's just sorted now. Good day in the kitchen today. Look, we're nearly ready for Christmas.
Yes.
What could possibly go wrong?
Yeah.
Trussed up, roasted builder.
How many trees did you get?
I got a few. I
Good.
think it's enough.
If Lalande can't go to the forest will come to Lalande. Right, I'll get on with the spraying.
Yeah.
I'm not sure I've ever had so much fun. So far I've been getting most of it on you, Michael.
Yes, I'm turning one away.
Why wouldn't you want to be covered in snow?
Don't spray the elf. No.
Oh, this is a magnificent specimen you've got here. That's a very nice one. Oh no, I feel sorry for it now. No,
God.
None of our trees turned out to be full enough for the main Christmas tree, so we've chosen this spectacular beast. Another year, another complete failure to organise a van for the tree. But this Jaguar is completely used to carrying the Christmas tree every year. I think it'd be quite sad if it wasn't involved. Yeah, this is Christmas. Standing in the rain trying to fit a Christmas tree to the roof of the Jaguar. I find myself saying what could possibly go wrong quite a lot this Christmas.
Yeah, I'm a bit worried about the front of the tree. Ooh, it's raining quite heavily.
Very slowly. We're now driving along with Michael's arm out of the sunroof to hold the tree on top, which is trying to stand up.
Yeah.
And it's raining on us. So,
Yeah. Ow.
Yeah, so great.
It's alright. There's a corner.
We're taking the tiniest country lane so that we can go incredibly slowly. It's a beautiful thing to see three men putting up a garland, I've realised now. It's an underrated pastime.
Actually, on this side, one went in and one didn't, so it depends where you get it. If you get an old woodworm hole or something, yeah, it's going to come through.
I love the fact that you're looking for old woodworm holes. That's what it's come to.
The pin needs a pilot hole.
Christmas Eve at Lalande. I think my favourite thing here is Jamie's apron.
Right, the actor died.
Oh yeah, pretty hot. So you're the sous chef. Sous studio.
I dream of one day being sous chef.
Yes, the one.
I have to say, it's not every day, Michael, that you see someone dressed like that, manning this oven.
Just refueling the old range cooker.
Oh, what's under the gilet? Oh my goodness. Such glamour has never before been seen at Lalande. Ian, this is not your usual look here.
No, this is not my usual work attire.
I think it should be though.
Well, it could be.
It's like really matchy.
Yeah, we didn't actually do this on purpose. We've gone quite sort of 50s, 60s vibes
So
tonight.
yes, very nice.
We've gone retro.
I just need a cigar now.
Are they playing Cards Against Humanity?
They are.
Old photos. And it's thematic, like the Polaroid pictures
Santa's little helpers, and we're making the Christmas stockings. And we've decided to fill the stockings with helium balloons so that when people open them, all of the balloons will come out. It should be really pretty. And also, it's incredibly fun to fill them. It's like magic.
It'll be absolutely wonderful.
You have been the perfect Santa's little helper tonight.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Oh, you're very pleased with your outfit, aren't you?
Yes.
And look at what we've done. All of these stockings ready to go out. 1 o'clock in the morning and I'm still wrapping presents. This is my present for Michael Petherick. Peter Rabbit's Race Game, a very amusing and interesting game introducing the famous characters created by Miss Beatrix Potter. It worries me that I'm actually really looking forward to playing this. What did you get, Donna?
Oh, it's Brandon's book from Gillian. Chateau Diaries.
Nice! Tiffany! Oh, one for me! Thank you! Ooh, who's this from? That's a beautiful sight. Look at those matching pyjamas. What did you get?
I got this amazing set. I think it's for wine.
For wine, yeah, you got a thermometer.
Yeah. Thermometer.
We'll play with that later today.
Yes, and what is this?
That's to put over the edge of the bottle so it doesn't drip down and spoil your beautiful damask tablecloth.
Oh, very nice. But I don't know who it's from.
I don't know.
It just says from Santa.
It's definitely not from me. Must have been one of your secret Santa presents.
Oh, you got it for me. Oh, thanks, mate.
Beautiful moment.
It's lovely.
I'm very, very curious about this one.
This is awesome.
It looks a little bit like one of those huge legs of pork.
Thank you very, very much.
Oh, wow! Mummy.
She's heavy!
Me!
She's heavy!
Well, it's Christmas Day, and I'm making cookies Saint-Jacques, and Mummy is making bread sauce. And most excitingly, we're doing it on the old range cooker, which has not worked here for 13 years and which Michael has repaired.
I did, I repaired it and it actually works.
Yeah.
We've cooked food on it. Isn't that amazing?
It is amazing.
It's wonderful.
I absolutely love cooking here.
You two look amazing.
Well, thank you very much. It's
Yeah.
Christmas Day. You look pretty amazing yourself, Mummy.
Oh, thank you. All right, let's see what Isabel is wearing.
Oh. Well, I'm ready for cooking. I'm dressed for cooking.
Oh, yeah.
Your cooking outfit. You can't really see mine because I'm wearing my Christmas apron, which I bought in a vintage shop in Vermont, and I love. I only get to wear it once a year, so it's very exciting when I can. It's Boxing Day, and at Lalande that means one thing and one thing only, Boxing Day barbecue. We have it every year in our Christmas jumpers. Michael, let's see this jumper. Oh yes.
It's been burning for about 3 days now.
Okay,
So
see, this is the heart of the house. That's what's powering all the delicious food and dancing in the kitchen. The person who bought me this knew what they were talking about.